Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to read Instagram messages without SYN. So I'm provide full guide and provide proof. So let's get start. Start first, open your Instagram, click on to message option, select a conversation and message this account to this account. Okay, so like text. Okay, get message. So if you want to read this message without SYN, so you need to first open this account, click on privacy and safety. You need to just restart this account. Okay, when you restart this account and when I receive message again, okay, then showing it to request option and just press on. Now request a message. I'm easily seeing this message without notify this account. Okay, so note down, when you do this account restart and easily check message without notify this account. So this is on and only way to do this.